Here we are in a pond in Ficatayic, Louisiana, really near Chautauqua, near Eunice. Land that's been in my husband's family for 7 generations. Out in a little tiny rowboat with my little tiny guitar, playing a tune. What an unusual idea. We never bring our instruments out in boats around here. It's like, great idea. So here's my Firefly guitar a friend gave me, and it's having its first movie presentation. This is a little song by Bessie Smith, kind of a sassy song. Listen to what that is say. Daddy, I want a diamond ring. Daddy, I want some furs and things. Tiny boats, motor cars and such. If your little mama ain't asking too much of you, won't you give me what I asked Daddy to? 'Cause if you don't, I know who will. If you don't, I know who will. I know you think that I'm just bluffing, but I'm one gal, ain't supposed to want for nothing. Got my warning habits on, I've had them on since this morn. So if you don't and say you won't, I know who will, my other papa. I know who will. If you don't, I know who will. If you don't, I know who will. I know you think that I'm just bluffing, but I'm one gal, ain't supposed to want for nothing. Squeeze me till I feel the thrill. Love me till I get my fill. 'Cause if you don't and say you won't, I know who will, Master So-and-so. I know who will.
This tree
So you better watch out.
This tree wants to eat us.
Oh, the trees, its fingers are coming down to shake your hand.
Thank you so much for your tiny boat session.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for having me.